Dear students, in this video we will discuss about class 3 Oxford New Learners Grammar and Composition chapter number 9 creating adjectives. Okay, so you know adjective means the word that describe more about the noun or pronoun in a sentence. So you know adjectives are also known as describing words. Okay, it tells more information about the noun or pronoun in a sentence. So here take an example. The day was very hot. Okay, the day was very hot. So you know here hot is adjective. It tells more about the more about noun. Okay, the day. So here you know hot is known as describing word, or you know it is called as adjective. Okay, more than one adjective can be used in a sentence. Suppose take an example. The beautiful girl. Okay, the beautiful girl entered into the class. Okay, so you know there is only one adjective beautiful, so you can also use more than one adjective in a sentence. Similarly we can write here the thin beautiful girl, okay, entered into the class. Similarly you can also add more adjective. The tall, thin and beautiful girl entered into the class. Okay, so here more than one adjective is used here: tall, thin and also beautiful. These words you know adjective, or we call it describing words. It describe more about the girl. Okay, here tall girl, thin girl and also she is the same girl who is thin, who is also tall and also beautiful. So you know these words are called describing words, or you know adjectives. Clear? Here look at this, read the sentences below, see how the nouns have been described in the second part of each sentence. So here the man can dance. Okay, then in the second you know here the noun the man, the old man can dance. That means here the old gives more information about the man. Okay, so here whether the man is old or young, the man is old. Okay, the old man can dance. Then next here, this kite is mine. Do you know here the noun is okay kite. This red kite is mine. That means here red. Okay, adjective of color tells more about the kite. That means what is the color of the kite? You know the red kite. This red kite is mine. So here red you know okay describing word. Clear? Then next here mom bought a flower vase. Do you know here noun you know flower vase. Okay, and mom bought a large flower vase. That means it indicates the size of the okay vase. So here you know large is a describing word, or we know it is called as adjective. Clear? In the first sentence old qualifies the noun man. In the second sentence red qualifies the noun kite. In the third sentence large qualifies the noun flower vase. That means these three words you know old and also red and also large, they describe different nouns. Okay, all describing words you know they are known as adjectives. Clear? Then next here read the sentences and underline the adjectives. One has been done for you. So here the brown chimney throws out black smoke. You know here you have to underline the adjective brown and also black. Both are you know adjective of color. Then next there are tall trees on the high mountains. You know here okay you have to underline tall and also high. Both are your adjective. Tall gives more information about trees and also high gives more information about mountains. Which types of mountain? This is a high mountain. Okay. The next Rani has a younger sister. So you know here younger, this is you know adjective, gives information about sister. The next he saw a shiny twinkling star in the dark sky. So you know there are three adjectives are used in this sentence: shiny, twinkling and also dark. The next Aunt Radha bought 6 big towels at the store. You know there are two adjectives are used, 6 and also big. You know 6 adjective of number and also big you know adjective of size. Okay, 6 big towels. So there are two adjectives. Then next I love to eat ripe pears. So you know here one adjective is used, ripe pears. Okay. Then next the little kittens are sleeping inside the basket. You know here little okay size adjective of size. It tells more about the kittens. Then next, my pet dog chewed off my new shoes. You know here new adjective that qualifies the noun shoes. Clear? So in this exercise, you find adjectives are used before each noun. So here chimney, noun, adjective brown. Here smoke, noun, adjective black. Trees, noun, adjective tall. Mountains, noun, adjective high. Sister, noun, younger, adjective. Similarly here, sky, noun, dark, adjective. Star, noun, twinkling, adjective. And also shiny is used for the star. Okay, shiny star, shiny and twinkling star. Similarly here towels, noun, adjective big and six. So here pears, noun, adjective ripe. Kittens, noun, adjective little. Okay, shoes, noun, adjective new. Clear? Then next here write the opposites of these adjectives. Happy, sad. Okay, you can also add a prefix to make opposite. Unhappy, you can also write unhappy. Okay, then clean, dirty. Dark, bright. Small, big. Bad, good. Heavy, light. Loud, quiet. Okay, careful, careless. Then rich, poor. Healthy, unhealthy. Okay, helpful, unhelpful. Kind, unkind. Then next, tall, short. Foolish, you can also write clever or smart. The next, young, old, and wet, dry. Okay, clear? Then next here add a fuel. Okay, you have to add full to the words below to get adjectives. One has been done for you. Colorful. Okay, then mind plus full, mindful. Okay, then peace plus full, peaceful. Similarly harm plus full, harmful. Okay, then delight plus full, delightful. Clear? The next here fill in the blanks by choosing the correct word from the box below. So here I was hungry. Okay, I ate. So here fourth one. Okay, plate full of noodles. Then next my dog is very okay. So here my dog is very playful. So you have to write third one here. Okay, playful. He loves to run. Then next the sheep had a dash of wool. So here bag. Okay, bag full. First one. Then next here computers are very helpful. Here the second one. Okay, helpful. They help us in many ways. Then next here my mother is always, here fifth one, cheerful. Okay, she has a beautiful smile. The next books are our most, the last one here, useful. Friends, they tell us all we want to know. Clear? Then next here use ish. Okay, after each word to create an adjective. Write the adjectives in the blanks given. Yellow is okay, ish. Then red plus reddish. Okay, reddish. The next pinkish. Okay, now use the adjectives you made in the sentences below. Okay, the sun looks reddish. Okay, here the second one. The next here reddish early in the morning. This rose is of a strange yellowish color. Here the first one. Okay, the baby chicks look pinkish. Third one. Okay, then next you will learn more about adjectives now. Read the sentences below and underline the adjectives. One has been done for you. So Amit is strong. Okay, you here positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree is used. Positive degree means when there is no comparison is made, we use positive degree. Suppose Rohan is tall. So here no comparison is made. When we compare Rohan with other boy, so Rohan with, okay. So in that case you will use comparative degree. Rohan is taller than Rohit. So here comparison is made between two persons. Okay, so when comparison is made between two persons, so you have to use comparative degree. Okay, then when comparison is made one with others. Okay, so in that case you have to use superlative degree. Rohit is the tallest boy in the class. That means Rohit is compared with all the students, all the boys in the class. Clear? So here Amit is a strong boy. Then next Arun is stronger than. This is comparative degree. Okay, in comparative we use er and also more, and also we use than. Okay, Rajat is the strongest of them all. So, this is superlative degree, and in superlative degree we use most and also est and definite article the. Okay, so Rajat is the. Here the is used. This is definite article and also est form. Rajat is the strongest of them all. This is superlative degree. The next, Rilke is a small dog. So here no comparison is made. Okay. So here positive degree is used. Risky is smaller than Rilke. So here comparison is made one with other. That means between two. So comparative degree will be used. But Bisky is the smallest of all. So here Bisky is compared with other two dogs. Okay. So here superlative degree will be used. Smallest. Now in the blanks given below, write the adjectives that you have underlined. Okay. So small, smaller and also smallest. Positive degree, comparative degree and also superlative degree. Clear? This is positive. No comparison is made. Anushka is a smart girl. Comparison between two. Salika is smarter than Anushka. So here er form and also than is used. Then comparison with many. So definite article the is used and also est form of the adjective is used. Clear? So here write the two forms of comparison for the adjectives given below. So here tall, taller and also tallest. Similarly lovely, lovelier, loveliest. Fresh, fresher, freshest. Okay. Then next wide, wider, widest. Then similarly fine, finer, finest. Young, younger, youngest. Easy, okay, easier, easiest. Then neat, neater, neatest. Similarly fast, faster, fastest. Heavy, heavier, heaviest. Okay, this is positive, this is comparative and this is superlative. Clear? Then next here use the three forms of the given adjectives to complete the sentences. So here short. Okay, you have to use short. My hair is short. So here no comparison is made. This is positive degree. Vinati's hair is shorter than mine. So here comparison is made with Vinati's hair with mine hair. Okay, so you have to use here comparative degree. Okay, shorter. Radha's hair is the shortest. So here this is superlative degree. Okay. Then next warm. It is a warm day. So here no comparison is made. So positive degree is used. It was a dash yesterday. Here comparison is made today with yesterday. So it was warmer. You have to use comparative degree. It was the warmest. Okay. On Monday. So this is superlative degree. The warmest. Then next high. This chair is high. So here no comparison is made. This is positive degree. That chair is higher than this. So here one chair comparison with another. So here higher comparative degree will be used. Next the brown chair is the highest. This is superlative degree and here definite article the is used. Soft. My cushion is soft. So no comparison. Okay. Province cushion is softer. So here comparison is made one with another. So here comparative degree will be used. Sanat's cushion is the softest all. This is superlative degree. Okay. Then next here, now make a comparisons using bigger words. Two have been done for you. Use more, most and less. List with all the words to make comparisons. So here first one is already given, intelligent. Okay. So here this dog is intelligent. Amal's dog is more intelligent. Ravi's dog is the most intelligent. Okay. Then this dog is intelligent. So here positive degree remains same, but you have to just change in comparative form and also superlative form. So here more is used, you have to add less. Okay. Then will be remain same because comparison is made between two. Ravi's dog is the most intelligent. So you have to just add a list. Okay. Most, least, then here more, less. So similarly popular. Sonu is a popular singer. So this is positive degree. Okay. Neha is more popular than Sonu. So more popular. This is comparative. Monu is the most popular. So the most popular. This is superlative. Just you have to make changes here in comparative. Okay. So here positive remains same. Sonu is a popular singer. So you have to write less in place of more and least in place of most. Clear? then next here useful, radio is useful, so this is positive degree. TV is more useful than radio, so more useful. Okay, internet is the most useful of all, so the most useful. So you have to make changes in comparative and superlative. So here radio is useful, this remains same. More useful you have to write less useful. Okay, then most useful you have to write least useful of all. Clear? Then next sentence here, beautiful. Radha is a beautiful girl. Okay, Meera is more beautiful than Radha. Lakshmi is the most beautiful of all. Here the most beautiful. You have to make changes in comparative and superlative. More beautiful you have to write less beautiful. Okay, most beautiful you have to write least beautiful. Clear? Proper noun always start with proper noun always starts with capital letter. So you have to make here capital all. Okay, proper noun. Then next, dangerous. A sword is dangerous, this is positive. A gun is more dangerous, so here more dangerous than. Okay, sword. An atom bomb is the most dangerous of all, so is the most dangerous. So similarly here you have to, here the positive degree remains same, just you have to write less in place of more and also least in place of most. Clear? The an atom bomb is the least dangerous of all. Then next here are a few questions to test your general knowledge. Write the answers in complete sentences. One has been done for you. So here, which is the highest mountain in the world? So Everest. Okay, is the highest mountain. So here superlative degree is used. Okay, the highest. Then next, which is the largest continent? So Asia. Okay, so you have to write Asia is the largest continent. So here this is also superlative degree. Which is the fastest animal in the world? Cheetah. Okay, cheetah is the fastest. So here superlative degree is used. Similarly, next which is the tallest animal in the world? Giraffe. Okay, giraffe is the tallest animal. This is superlative degree. Okay. Then next here, some adjectives change their forms completely while making comparisons. Like good, better, best. Okay, this is completely changes while making the comparison. So this is a good story. This story, the story that I read yesterday is better than good, better and also best. The story in this new book is the best of all. So similarly, see if you can make a comparisons using the three forms of good. Okay, good, better, best. So Dina is a good singer. So this is positive degree. Dinesh is a better singer than Dina. So comparison is made between two. Sid is the best singer of the three. So this is the superlative degree. Here comparison is made 1 with 3. Okay. Then similarly next year, my new book has many good stories. This is positive degree. But my old book had better stories. This is comparative. Your book, however, your book has the best stories. This is superlative degree. Clear? The next revision, adjectives can be used to compare or describe two or more things. Okay, so this is the function of adjectives. Then next we add er, okay, and more to smaller adjectives for comparison. Similarly we add est and also most to bigger adjectives for comparison. Clear? So I think this video will help you. If you find any doubt, you can comment in the comment box. Okay, thank you.